New branch of psychology suggests that human beings have been subjected to the process of biological evolution. So human beings have been subject to process of biological evolution. And the result possess many evolved psychology. Possess करे many evolved psychological mechanism that influence our behavior. Result possess करे many evolved psychology mechanism that influence behavior. How does it contribute to our understanding? How does it contribute to understanding human behavior and evolution psychology? Human beings have been subject to process of biological evolution. Human beings have been subject to process of biological evolution. Evolution जो है just many evolved psychological mechanism. The meaning of exploitation psychology. Use of psychology knowledge to solve practical problems. Multicultural perspectives. Evolutionary psychology. Multicultural perspective, evolutionary psychology. Psychology and the scientific method. How can psychology be viewed as a branch of science? Because psychologists adopt the scientific method and in their efforts to study human behavior. Branch of science, psychology can be viewed as a branch of science because psychologists adopt the scientific method in their efforts to study human behavior. But values are central to the scientific method. Value central to the scientific method include accuracy, objectivity, skepticism, and open-mindedness. Values central to the scientific method include accuracy. But the values are central to scientific method. Values central to the scientific method include accuracy. What are the theories? This is absolute skepticism and mindedness. What are the theories and what are their role in the scientific method? Theories organize existing knowledge. Theories organize करे they make prediction that can be tested in research. They help a scientist attain explanation of a natural phenomenon. Explanation of natural phenomena. Understanding of why certain events or process occurs as they do. Theories organize कर existing knowledge and make prediction that can be tested in research. They help scientists attain करे explanation natural phenomena. They help scientists attain करे the common sense of folk wisdom. Folk wisdom माने होची such uncertain guides to human behavior. Common sense of suggests inconsistent and contradictory conclusion about behavior. For the confirmation bias, heuristic and initiative thinking. What role do that play in our efforts to understand human behavior? These are cognitive errors we make in thinking about the world around us. They often lead us to false conclusions about human behavior.